Top news headlines. Bijaya Shanti shows world the numerous benefits of lotus. India occupies top global position in COVID-19 recovery rate. And next 48 hours critical for Trump on virus fight, says White House. A very good afternoon and welcome to Times of Manipur News today at 1 p.m. This is MASACO NINGTHOUJAM giving you the latest news updates. Lotus, an aquatic flower that grows in lakes and rivers, is mainly used in ritualistic worship and other purposes. Yet, many are ignorant the fact that all parts of the lotus flower plant are edible. The flowers are dried and used as salads. The seeds are roasted or candied and used directly in soups and sauces. TOMTV has an exclusive report.
Tongbram Bijaya Shanti,
aged 27 years, daughter of
Tongbram
Joy Kumar and Haisnam Sanahal from Thanga Tongbram in Bishnupur district, is the eldest of 3 siblings. Bijaya Shanti, a BSc in botany from GP Women's College, Imphal, inspired by one of her father's friends, has shown the world the numerous benefits of lotus, ranging from its leaves to the stems and the roots. The flowers, seeds, leaves and parts of the underground stem are used in making medicine. The young graduate has started a unique venture from spinning yarn from the stalks of lotus, involving many women from her locality to generate income. Amid the coronavirus pandemic, Bijaya Shanti has trained 40 women under the startup program sponsored by the Manipur government.
Lotus se akogi variety of lotus all over world fangiba lotus se collection tawraga mafam amada garden semge na adui matung tarakpada aise product su puthoke hena tawraga ahanbada aise lotus tea gi kana chelame product puthok ke haina adagi product se agi machinery gumba facility ke ya laita badagi LBI na live incubation center to champur da chatlakanda aise lotus tea je product develop tawraba matung da aisa amu Gujarat ta testing gi lab analysis ki damakta thaki 2019 gi matam sida adugi report la aba matung matam khara adum aise leire duga sigi agi fiber gi matang si hai taragadi 2018 da fiber si adum hokibane fiber sina amka ingonda wakhal da sum pawan gi base khoi gi babagi friend ama khakna sum lamkoi ru bada thengnarak badagi ingonda wori gumba sabiram badagi aina sum trial oina sum tawgi badagi acd tawba yani haraga imaiven khara pullaga thabok se sumai pai khacharapa.
Bijaya Shanti said she started spinning yarn out of the lotus stalks after a research based on the idea she got from an elder. Prior to this, she tried making lotus tea, but due to the pandemic, delivery of the equipment she ordered was delayed. The young entrepreneur has also appealed to the government for funding her so that she can promote and develop her lotus farm. She said that she has already started preparing nurseries for the farm, but waiting for fund.
Aji thabosida government ki site gi su mateng phangjare mateng je kaina da startup Manipur raina sem na hodok piri ba honorable sem na hodok piri program sigi makhada ai idea stage ta selection tawjaraga handak Manipur startup conclave ta aido sanction khara phangjare hariba mateng sina su aise mi mayam ma haidi hanada gi leram ba khoi kun tara leram tara kun muk leram basida hena mafam da training pibagi khudong chaba masu phangale to gi damaksu yam thagat chari honorable sem bo hanba leitana.
India continues to occupy the top global position with the maximum number of COVID-19 recoveries and accounts for 21% of the recovered cases worldwide, while its share in the total cases stands at 18.6%, the Union Health Ministry said. India has also maintained its global position with one of the lowest COVID-19 case fatality rates (CFR) when compared to several other countries. As per a media report, total case tally stands at 65,49,374. More than 1 lakh people have died of COVID-19 in India, the world's second worst hit country by the coronavirus pandemic after the US, as it recorded 1,069 deaths with 79,476 new cases in the past 24 hours, data by the Health Ministry showed. India now has 9,44,996 active COVID-19 cases and more than 54 lakh recoveries, Health Ministry data shows. With registration of 252 new COVID-19 cases, the total case tally in Manipur increased to 11,649 in the last 24 hours. 228 persons were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases from 18 different testing facilities, including RIMS and JNIMS in the state. They are being moved to the COVID care facilities. All necessary medical precautionary measures like containment and contact tracing are in place according to the state COVID-19 Common Control Room. 2 women, aged 68 years and 46 years, both from Churchandpur district, died of the disease yesterday. The cumulative number of deaths in the state is 71 now. Meanwhile, 89 patients were discharged from various COVID care facilities in the state. The cumulative number of active cases stands at 2,497, while the recovered cases have reached 9,081. The recovery rate has improved to 77.95%. US President Donald Trump, who tested COVID-19 positive, went through a very concerning period on Friday last, and the next 48 hours will be critical in terms of his care. Trump is undergoing treatment at a military hospital, media reports said. The comments came yesterday after it was revealed that Trump was administered supplemental oxygen on Friday morning at the White House before he was transported to the hospital. The staff, however, insisted he had only mild symptoms. Trump's doctors, for their part, painted a rosy picture of the president's health in a press conference at Walter Reed National Military Medical Center. But the briefing by Navy Commander Dr. Sean Conley and other doctors raised more questions than it answered. 74-year-old Trump is clinically obese, putting him at higher risk of serious complications from a virus that has infected more than 7 million people nationwide and killed more than 2 lakh people in the US. It's time for a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Europe da Engineering Management PIZ amadi General Course tamningba mahiroi scholarship 100% fangbada natana stipend oina 4.2 lakh fangbagi kudong chaba leiraba mahai tamfam singni loina na India amadi foreign lebak singda MBBS MD course na chingba kaya masu tamna bagidamak amadi education loan gi kudong chaba su pizari hena ku pamorol gidamak contact obiro Fort With Global Consulting Private Limited, North AOC K Grupat Imphal. Contact number 6909374625.
Al Hayat, the best halal restaurant in Manipur. Miyam na pam na chanariba Al Hayat restaurant gi hauraba mathil khudingmak Red Delivery app ki kuthangda order tobiratuna yam na laina ahenba charges yaudana isa gi yumda thilaknabagi khudong chaba pijari. App si download tawduna app si kuthangda ngasimak order tawbiyu. Chana thaknaba polam sing khakta natana imung amada nongmar changdraba yadraba grocery item kaya marum suna fanglaba app ni. Ngasimak download tawbiyu. Red Delivery for you.
Miyam gi thogal gi damak thong hangsare. Miyam gi damak ahongba awai malda adom gi mathau taba apamba commercial vehicle amade machine sing wai binaba aikhoi gi phone number 9615846446 ta call tawbiraktuna deeper haiva excavator JCB Pokland Volvo excavator haiba sing asidagi adom gi mathau taba apamba machine sing wai bi bayarakani.
Aduk live duo natro red delivery Manipur the best delivery service pibado pamba posting kudak to oh nang order me amudi torom ni bu nang na saning ba restaurant puching do red delivery app season na order sat sida sunate grocery items sing medicine hygiene me amama yam relax ta over psu to the market price den na khuta yor toisi nangi di khangdi ai di yore aduga grocery items ni kauni red delivery for you.
Welcome back after the break. Ziribam Zila Parishad Upadhyaksha T.H. Somarjit Singh today flagged off the first ever air-conditioned luxury passenger bus for Ziribam district to be plied along Ziribam Imphal during a simple function. Our Ziribam correspondent reports that the bus was launched under Billion Stars Tour and Travel Agency. Promoter of Billion Stars Tour and Travel Agency, Jayachandra, and other officials attended the occasion. The first passengers who boarded the bus today underwent infrared thermometer screening before traveling. ICANN Foundation, based at Hawa Sadak, Jaipur, is honoring 44 renowned humanitarians of the country with Humanitarian Excellence Award 2020 for the endless service they rendered to the people amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Among them, 2 are from Manipur, social and cultural activists Rakesh Naurim and Ningombam Ongbi Ranibala Lema. Rakesh Naurim hails from Tenta Kongabal under Thobal district, and Ranibala Lema is a resident of Kongman Zone 2 in Imphal East. The COVID Care Center opened at Lamding Higher Secondary in Thobal district is facing inconveniences owing to the Manipur government's failure to sanction fund for the center. The management team at the center has not been able to provide meals to the patients. Around 70 COVID-19 patients are currently staying at the center. So far, 137 patients have recovered and discharged from the center. The report also said at least 11 COVID-19 patients are admitted in the COVID care facility on daily basis. The COVID care center is run under the district administration Thobal. Several Imphal-bound goods-laden trucks coming from other states crossed Nonne district after repair of Irang Bridge at Nonne. A portion of the bridge was damaged recently after heavy rainfall lashed the district, disrupting normal life and traffic movement, a report said. Victoria Yenkom, Superintendent of Police, Kaching District, today said that R. Rojit Kumar Singh, a VDF personnel from Sora Outpost, was rewarded for his vigilance and alertness leading to the arrest of a thief last night. The arrested thief has been identified as Thodam Binod Singh, aged 30 years, son of late T.H. Basanta Singh of Khongjom Sapam Bazar Maning, SP Victoria informed in a press release today. R. Rojit Kumar Singh, VDF number 517 of Sora Outpost, arrested a youth who was coming from Kaching side towards Thobal in a very suspicious manner. VDF Rojit Kumar then woke up other VDF personnel as well as the Assistant Sub-Inspector L. Suchandra Singh, officer in charge of Sora Outpost. While checking the youth, they recovered a drilling machine inside a carry bag. On further checking, one red towel was also found wrapped around his waist. The police team asked the youth to remove the towel, however he escaped and ran towards the paddy field nearby the outpost. The police team then chased and apprehended him from the paddy field and recovered a sum of Rs 1,22,000. On preliminary interrogation, Thodam Binod disclosed that he stole the money from a brick kiln located at Kaching Lamdong, owned by KSH Joy Singh of Kaching Sumang Lekai. Later, the arrested along with the seized items was handed over to the officer in charge, Kaching Police Station, for further necessary legal action. A regular case has also been registered at Kaching Police Station for further investigation. Member of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC and social worker Naurim Kobit continue to take up improvement work on important approach road at Kakching NINGTHOUJAM connecting paddy fields. Kakching Wairi Chengkepung Road, a 3-kilometer long stretch, was repaired today. Treasurer of Chengkepung Lambi Development Committee Leishangthem Ketra said that worried over the pathetic condition of the road, the locals put up the matter with social worker Naurim Kobit. The farmers expressed their gratitude towards the social worker for his help. N. Kobit, speaking to media, said that the farmers of Kakching constituency approached him for repair of the road, adding that he would continue to extend help for the betterment of the farmers. It's time for another short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Isagi nuwaitaba awaba pumnamak da chama fahanba ngamba Baba Afzal Saha. Ana layong khangdaba hidak na faba ngamdaba kanagomba na pizza pithak tawduna semjinkiba. Lonaba yeknaba daki ngakthoknaba mane mamau yanadaba nungsiba hanjanhanba yumban punsida ayet apan leitanaba angang yaudaba yaunaba amadi modeling film da mai paknaba. Pumnamak amuktang tanabiyu nungaitaba awaba pumnamak koknaba ngasima call tobiro Baba Afzal Saha. Contact number 703-796-1167.
Nang na medical ta masatpado ay siyaw gina nang naktahang malain General Nursing and Midwifery GNM 3 years course, 12% arts or science stream in confused to become a part of one of the most respectable professional career of all time. 12% above duration 3 years 6 months. BSc in Medical Radiology and Imaging Technology DMRI.
Ultrasound, MRI, CT scan, X-ray.
BSc in Medical Laboratory Technology.
BSc in Operation Theatre Technology.
Admission open for Naurim Birahari College, permanently affiliated to Manipur University and included under UGC Act 1956. Free admission for tourism and hospitality management and various other diploma to degree courses and training programs. And also special classes on Indian stock market for those who want to invest or day trade. Classes for beginners to intermediate and intermediate to advanced level. For details, please contact or WhatsApp 7005097748 or visit our website www.nbcollege.ac.in.
Kaya ang yumim sa tuna poching nga si yun doon na laydoon. Siya laydoon na isagi duka na mahanga nung ay na family siya laydoon. Nang na phone doon miyata na doon layo. Sak tiro, sak lami.
Taso, Tax Bio Private Limited ki office sa lagane. Hujikti am line na loan thabi arbane. Hariba loan sing ado RBI makhada laibabe amadi NBFCS tagi oigani.
Hoy hoy.
Adusu lowest interest rate 12% per annum. Loan sing bagi matam sune tha kuntra taruk haidi chahi ahum phau piri. Personal loan amadi business loan gi oidane lupa lak manga phau piri. Tasaw ne na khangninga dine number sida call tawrone.
Piro. Nang diam khangamina.
Phone meli sidi.
Hello.
Yamna laiba moongda loan gi khudong chaba lobiningba singna ngasima contact obiro TechBio Private Limited Hyangthang Takhelambam Konjen opposite Sangai Bazaar. Contact number 883-753323.
Welcome back after the break. 2 Navy personnel died as a glider on routine flight crashed at Kochi this morning, a defense spokesperson said. He said the naval power glider was on a routine training sortie and took off from INS Garuda. It crashed near Thopumpadi Bridge, close to the naval base at around 7 a.m. A media report said Lieutenant Rajiv Cha and Petty Officer Sunil Kumar, who were in the glider, were rescued from the crash site and shifted to INHS Sanjeevani. However, they were declared brought dead, the spokesperson said. The glider is being salvaged and a board of inquiry has been ordered by the Southern Naval Command into the incident, the report added. India's new High Commissioner to Bangladesh, Vikram Doraiswamy, met Tripura Governor Ramesh Baish besides Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb. During the meetings with the Governor and the Chief Minister, Doraiswamy discussed various issues involving Bangladesh. Doraiswamy, who succeeds Riva Ganguly Das as the Indian envoy in Bangladesh, also visited the under-construction India-Bangladesh new 12.23-kilometer railway project along Agartala. Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb said that the meeting was a fruitful meeting where they extensively discussed various contours of India-Bangladesh relations and how Tripura can contribute towards strengthening the bond between the two nations. Subsequently, Doraiswamy also tweeted that it was an honor and a privilege to meet the Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb and get his specific and clear guidance for the mission ahead. Doraiswamy, who joined the Indian Foreign Service in 1992, would go to Dhaka tomorrow to take charge as the new Indian High Commissioner in Bangladesh. Former Congress President Rahul Gandhi and Party General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's visit to the family of the Hathras rape victim yesterday seeks to make multiple political points in times of the coronavirus pandemic. A media report said both leaders had set the stage for the event early in the morning with a series of tweets. While Priyanka Gandhi Vadra alleged insensitivity of Yogi Adityanath government by asking the victim's family to take a narco or lie detector test, Rahul Gandhi had tweeted that no power could stop him from visiting the family. Despite having been stopped at the Delhi-Noida UP border for a second time in 48 hours, the Congress leaders managed to reach the village and meet the family. The party's message is clearly aimed at projecting the Rahul and Priyanka as determined leaders who are ready to hit the streets even in challenging times. And now let's take a look at the local newspaper headlines. The Sangha Express, Army Chief, Foreign Secretary to seal security ties with Myanmar. 2 deaths in Churachandpur on 26 September finally added to official data. Imphal Free Press. MU slashes exam fee to refund some fee components in view of COVID-19 pandemic. Manipur COVID-19 death toll rises to 71, total cases stand at 11,649. Kishore Chandra sent to judicial custody. Manipur Mail. Mao gets new police guest house. Chief Minister asks police to touch people's life. 2 die, 252 new COVID cases. Lokayukta wants fresh inquiry into alleged GHADC fund misuse. Eviction at Sports University area. Before we wrap up, the top news headlines once again. Vijay Shanti shows world the numerous benefits of lotus. India occupies top global position in COVID-19 recovery rate. And next 48 hours critical for Trump on virus fight, says White House. That's all for the news today at 1 p.m. Thank you for watching.